How to share Facebook profile on iPhone. To share your Facebook profile on your iPhone, you can do it in an easy step using the Facebook app. And here is how to do so. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your iPhone and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is navigate to your profile. So let's simply tap on the profile picture or profile icon of yours at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, once on your profile, tap on the three dots next to the edit profile option available there. Once you tap on the three dots, all you have to do is scroll down and there you can see copy link onto your profile settings. Simply tap on it. Now paste the link anywhere you want to share it, like messages, WhatsApp, Instagram bio, or mail, or anywhere. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.